Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Red color, blue color, brown color, and the next one is yellow color, green color, and the last one is black color. Kids, now we draw and coloring numbers. First we use red color and draw 1. The number of 1, O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2, T-W-O, 2. Kids, now we draw 3. The number of 3, T-H-R-E-E. The next one is 4, F-O-U-R, 4. And now we draw 5. The number of 5, and the next one is 6. Now we use blue color and draw 6. S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. And now we draw 8. The number of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we draw 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Now we draw 11. Kids, now we use brown color and draw 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Now we draw 13. The number of 13. And the next one is 14. Now we use yellow color and draw the number of 14. The next one is 15. Now we use green color. Green color, green color. Kids, the next one is 16. We again use green color. Now we draw the number of 16. And the next one is 17. We again use green color, and now we draw 17. The next one is 18. Now we use black color. Black color, black color. Now we draw 18. The next one is 19. Now we draw 19. And the last one is 20. The number of 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.